Hi, I'm your cat that jump scares you in the bathroom. Welcome to the video. Today is unboxing and review of TVV. I don't know how to say the shop's name, and I'm not going to try because I tried recording this part like 5 times, and I can't say the shop's name at all. So before I show you the ears that I bought from her current release, these are also ears from her. They are her feline shape, which I really love. Her ears are super realistic to me. I absolutely love this shape. The only issue I have with this shape, just a personal thing, is that people say they use them as canines, and then I'm like, oh no, I see it, but then I get over it. So yes, these were actually her pre-orders or made to orders around like September, October, and they had a little tag that said I bite on them, which was really cute, but I took the tag off of mine and I gave it to somebody because it wasn't really my vibe or aesthetic. So she asked for a 2-week processing time. I ordered them May 13th. They came in May 19th. So not a super long waiting period, but when they did get delivered, they came like really quickly. I asked USPS for like text notifications of delivery, and I got like 3 in one day. So I really like that. They are based in Maryland. I am based in California. I don't know if that makes a difference with how long they take to get here, but that is it. This is the box they come in. She has a cute little stamp right here, and then a cute little one that says thanks USPS. So I really like that. It's adorable, and yeah, so let's open it. So this is what it looks like opened up. It's a cute little thank you sticker. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, okay, oops. The box looks well. This is so adorable. So this was on her like last pair of ears, but she does do this little handmade tag. I love it so much. The little what's it called? Seal, wax seal, has ears in it. Oh my god, these are so adorable. And oh, look at this little thank you card. And she does include a print, because she also draws and is an artist herself. So, I'm gonna try these on now. It is time to de-ear myself.
Hello?
Don't look at me like that. Oh, they're so cute! Oh my god! So these are her box kit shape. I was told that this is the same shape as her kittens, just with different shading and trimming. But oh my god, look at that! They're so adorable! I love them. This is the back of them. They're just a brown. But, oh, I love them so much! So yeah, she does say to not pose them too much, because I think it was because she had wiring issues in the past, because I know like a few people said that their wiring broke, but it looks like she has updated the wiring, because I make ears myself and this is the same type of wire that I use, so it's pretty sturdy. Her ears in general are just really sturdy and super cute. The only downside I have to say is that the packaging, as you see, it doesn't come with any bubble wrap or any I think it's called a polyfoam, where people put it in a plastic bag to keep it protected, just in case like any rain or something happens, because you never know. But other than that, I love her ears. These are so cute. I'm so in love. That's it. Yeah. If you like this video, give it a like, or don't. I can't really tell you what to do. And subscribe if you would like to see more ear-related content for now. And I'll see you in whatever video I make where I learn how to scream. Just scream. Bye bye!